Do you know those guys from Bad Friends? Andrew.
Hey, Guy, what's up?
Comedians, skate legends,
Did you bring some chicken?
YouTube creators.
Wait a second, it's the legend.
The most talented people on the planet. I want to know one thing.
What do you guys want to eat?
Italian food would be nice.
Italian.
I find out what you're craving. I go and get it. We sit down, and what happens next is anybody's guess. Bad friends Bobby Lee and Andrew Santino.
You're the panko of the relationship.
I'm the panko.
I'm the fat.
I'm glad this has completely gone to hell.
I didn't know.
No, you're done.
The machine himself, Bert Kreischer.
Cheers. That's the best way I've ever heard it.
The GOAT, Tony Hawk.
Hey, your fandom.
Your fandom, it's your food.
And the YouTube rock star, Jesser.
I can't believe I'm sitting next to you. We gotta play some games.
Oh, you almost took me out.
Different worlds, great conversation, one table. That's when it turns into the real deal.
Guy, this was amazing. Thank you,
Good
Guy.
times.
You never know who you're gonna meet when you eat on Guy's Feast Club, a new series on the Food Network YouTube channel.